I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to remove a card from your Venmo account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then select Settings from the list. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. This will show you all the cards and bank accounts linked to your Venmo account. Step 4. Choose the card to remove. Scroll through your list of linked cards and tap on the card you want to remove. This will take you to the card's details. Step 5. Remove the card. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Just a heads up, if you have any pending transactions linked to that card, you may need to resolve them before you can remove it. I hope this helps you manage your Venmo account more easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.